Wagwan! The Jamaican proverb for today. Duppy know who fi frighten? Meaning, there are people who, some kind of people who love to intimidate others, or some people who are bullies. They know exactly who to target, right? They target a certain kind of people. But there are others that they would dare not try the same thing with. Try do whatever with somebody else, but they wouldn't try the same thing with another person, right? That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please share, comment, like, and subscribe. Take care of yourself. Big up on yourself. And I'll see you in the next video.